Hi, this is Amanda with Accurate Labs, and I'm here today to show you how to reset your timer. This is our 5600 softener, and this is the cover you'll need to remove in order to access the timer and reset it. That's something that you're going to want to do anytime the power goes out to make sure that your system is backwashing at the correct time, which is going to be at midnight. Now this is the current version of the cover for our softener. It's possible that what you have may be slightly different. It's going to have two hex screws, one on either side, and you'll need to remove those and then slide the cover forward. Those are going to be 1/2-inch hex heads. So that is the only tool that you'll need, and again, that is only if you have the older version. This is the current version here, and this just slides straight up, and you'll want to set that aside in a safe place. So now you're looking at the timer here, and there's some very general instructions here, but I'll go through everything in detail with you. What you'll need to do is hold in the red button here and spin this outer dial. You can just feel the teeth, just spin that to the correct time. Right now it is 4 p.m., so I'm lining it up with 4 p.m. and the time of day window here, and just let go of the red button when the gears line up. Or if it's slightly out of line and it pops, that's fine, nothing to worry about. So now you have your timer set. It's set to the correct time of day, so it will backwash at midnight. If, however, you don't want it to backwash at midnight, if you're a night owl, you like to stay up a little later, and you don't want to have to deal with the backwash at that time, then you can fool it into thinking that it's midnight at whatever time you want it to backwash. For example, I want to stay up late, I would prefer for it to backwash at 3 a.m. So what I do is I take whatever time it is now, 4 p.m., and I subtract 3 hours. So I'll set it for 1 p.m. and that way at 3 a.m. this system will think that it's midnight, and that is when it will backwash. So now you have your timer set, all done. You just need to put the cover on, which is very important. If your system is outside, you want to make sure it is protected from the elements. So I'm just going to take the cover and line it up just right here. Can be a little tricky, and just slide it back down and you're done. And if you have the other version, you would just slide the faceplate back on and reattach those hex screws on either side. And that's it.